Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Lancaster, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Millersport, Pleasantville, Fairfield Beach, Royalton, Lithopolis, Amanda, Thurston, Carroll, Rushville, West Rushville, Fairfield County Airport, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, State Route 158 at State Route 204, Dumontville and North Bern.